Welcome back to CARSJADE, where we keep it casual and truthfully detailed. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Range Rover Sport SV, Land Rover's most performance-focused sport yet. And trust me, it's a beast. The 2026 Range Rover Sport SV isn't just another trim. It's a statement of performance luxury. With 626 horsepower and advanced engineering borrowed from performance road cars, this SV is designed to excite in all conditions, from city commutes to track sessions. It introduces a toned-down, more refined approach compared to the outgoing SVR, but the thrill is fully intact. In fact, early testers say it's a brilliant car, offering a smoother, more cohesive package than before. The Sport SV keeps the bold SUV body but adds purposeful touches like aggressive lower bumpers, quad exhausts with a diffuser, and a carbon fiber hood. The optional 23-inch carbon wheels aren't just for looks. They save 21 to 78 pounds of unsprung weight, improving handling and agility. A sleek diffuser and blacked-out trim give it a stealthy and refined presence. Think SUV meets performance GT styling in one polished package. Slide inside, and you're greeted by a 13.1-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen and Range Rover's curved digital instrument panel. You get shortcut buttons, head-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and that immersive body and soul audio seat system, complete with seat transducers that let you feel the bass throughout your journey. The SV Performance seats offer aggressive bolstering, satin carbon backs, heating, cooling, and illuminated SV logos. Higher trims include Meridian sound and premium materials, blending luxury comfort and race-ready support. Under the hood is a 4.4-liter twin-turbo mild hybrid V8 producing around 626 horsepower and 750 Nm. That's roughly 553 lb-ft, powered by MHEV tech and twin-scroll turbos. It hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.6 to 3.8 seconds, with a top speed near 180 miles per hour. Highlighting its engineering chops, the 6D dynamic suspension replaces traditional anti-roll bars with a hydraulic system, letting it corner with near 1.1 G lateral grip, all on all-season tires. It also includes carbon ceramic brakes, active aero, rear AWD torque distribution, and an SV mode that sharpens everything for driving thrills. The Sport SV launched as a limited production model in summer 2024, with more widely available Edition 2 variants arriving late 2025. Reddit users say production is extremely limited and mostly by invitation only. Pricing starts at around £171,000, with US models expected to come in at roughly $180,000 plus depending on options like carbon wheels and ceramic brakes. The 2026 Range Rover Sport SV blends luxurious motorway comfort with undisputed performance. It's rare to find an SUV that corners flat, accelerates like a GT, and feels refined yet purpose-built. If you want an exclusive, powerful SUV that still feels polished, the SV is undoubtedly a top pick. And that's the breakdown on the 2026 Range Rover Sport SV. If you enjoyed this deep dive, go ahead and hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE for more relaxed but detailed car content. Thinking about getting one, carbon wheels or ceramic brakes? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Catch you on the next drive.